Hey there, and welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to add optional products to your proposals and how these appear in the customer portal view. Optional products are a great way to offer customers additional items or upgrades without changing your core estimate. Whether it's a gate upgrade, extra hardware, or special add-ons, this feature gives your customers more choice and can increase your revenue. We'll walk you through how to add these products directly in a proposal, how they appear to the customer, and how to include them in your quotation templates for faster setup in the future. Let's jump. To get started, open the proposal that you want to edit and click on Edit. Then locate where it says Optional Products and click. After you click on Add a Product and you click again on this space, you will get the options that you can use, or you can search more options if the option that you want is not available here. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this PVC rail, and I'm also going to use this hinge clamp. We then click on Save. Now, they have been added to the proposal as optional items. These are not mandatory items if the customer accepts the proposal. So in order to view how they look, we go to Customer Preview. And we scroll all the way to the bottom. After the drawing that we made, we will have the two products or the two items that we added as optional products under Options and under Product. So if the customer wants to add these to the proposal sent to him or her, all they have to do is click on the little shopping cart. As you can see, after I click on it, it disappears because it is added to the list of materials. So as you guessed it, the only way the customer will see this is if you choose Yes on Breakdown, so they can see line by line every product needed to complete the fence. So now we scroll back up and we can see that the PVC rail and the post hinge clamp have been added to the proposal. Now we go back to edit mode. And if we scroll to the bottom where it says order lines, if we scroll to the bottom of that, we will see that the PVC rail and the post hinge clamp have been added. So if you scroll back up and you click on Edit, you can now edit the quantities and the units and the cost on these products that you have added to the proposal that you're going to send. And then when you're finished, you just hit Save. You can also add optional products directly into a quotation template to make future proposals more efficient. To do this, open the proposal, then click on Configuration. We then choose Quotation. Choose the template that you want to work with. Next to Lines, you will see the tab that says Optional Products. From here, you can add any optional product you'd like to include by default whenever this template is used. Just remember to hit Edit before you actually make any changes, and then you save whatever products you add as optional. And remember, any products that you add here will appear as optional, but will appear by default whenever this template is used. Adding optional products is a powerful way to give customers more choice while increasing the value of each proposal. Whether it's upsells, accessories, or premium upgrades, this feature allows you to present more options without complicating the estimate process. Thank you very much.